missing our leadership meetings that we usually have with you guys twice a month. So we decided to try and come up with a way to do leadership even though we weren't all together. So we picked a theme for this month and we decided to go with positivity. So what that means is trying to see the silver lining, the good side of things, even when things get tough. Alright, so just keep watching the video and hear all about how our 5th graders are staying positive even though things have changed for us.
Even though we're not together, we can still be leaders of the month. This month, our theme is positivity. Our class will be sharing ways to stay positive on the quarantine.
A great way for me to stay positive is that I get to create my own schedule. I get to take breaks whenever I want, I get to eat whenever I want, and do my schoolwork whenever I want. What time is it? Oh, it's 12:02. We're going to take a break. I like to stay positive by sleeping in.
I stay positive by watching a movie and being with my mom.
You should also hang out with your family and hang out with your siblings. So yeah, let's go right into it. I'm trying to go annoy my siblings. Sister. Oh, look, she got hair. That's very nice. So you want home with Gucci first? Sister. Okay guys, so make sure to stay very positive and spread that positivity, and most of all, stay safe, and just know that we're going through all of this together. Yeah. Hold my glasses. Stay 6 feet away! Get away from me! No, no! Bye guys! Staying positive means that you can stay positive. My dog likes it. One way I stay positive is playing with my cat. During this difficult time, one way I stay positive is by keeping down the cheese. I would normally be playing baseball right now, but because I can't, I practice at home.
Another thing that you can do, guys, is play basketball, stuff like that, and shoot hoops.
One way to stay positive is to stay active.
2.
Happy birthday, Asher!
Happy birthday, Asher!
Another way to stay positive is to eat all the ice you can get.